Welcome to our comprehensive guide on boosting your immunity through food. In the world we live in, it's more important than ever to keep our bodies strong, resilient, and ready to fight off whatever comes our way. And guess what? You can do a lot of that just by making smart food choices. So buckle up and get ready to dive into a world of tasty treats that are as good for you as they are delicious. Let's dive in. Consider citrus fruits, the zesty powerhouses of vitamin C. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes not only tantalize our taste buds, but also enhance the production of white blood cells, the soldiers of our body that fight against disease-causing pathogens. A daily dose of these tangy delights can significantly support immune function. Then there are the humble berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, tiny yet mighty. Packed to the brim with antioxidants, these fruits protect our cells from oxidative stress, thereby boosting our overall immune function. Garlic, a staple in many a kitchen, holds secrets beyond its pungent aroma. It contains allicin, a compound with potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a robust ally in strengthening the immune system. Turmeric, the golden spice, houses curcumin, renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. Not only does it support brain health, but it also contributes to a robust immune response. Leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, bring more to the table than just their vibrant hues. They are rich sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to overall health and immune function. And finally, ginger, a root known for its fiery flavor and healing properties. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits can strengthen the immune system and is a common ingredient in teas, soups, and dishes. But it's not just about individual foods. The importance of dietary diversity cannot be stressed enough. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into daily meals can create a symphony of nutrients that work in harmony to boost immune health. Moreover, maintaining an immune-boosting diet involves more than just food. It includes essential components such as adequate hydration, sufficient sleep, and effective stress management. In summary, fortifying our immune system is a holistic process, with food playing a pivotal role. From citrus fruits and berries to garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, and ginger, each brings unique benefits to the table. Coupled with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, these foods can help pave the way to enhanced immunity and overall health. Remember, a strong immune system is not built in a day, but every nutritious bite brings us one step closer to a healthier tomorrow. So here's to making every meal count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, knowledge is power, and by sharing this video, you could help someone else step up their nutrition game and boost their immune system. We encourage you to engage with us in the comments section below, share your thoughts, experiences, or any queries you might have. And if you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Your support helps us create more informative content. So from our team to you, a big thank you.